Alright, super quick video for you guys. So I have to prep this for 3D printing. You can see right now it is pretty high, well, except for this portion here. There's a lot of polygons. I don't need every single one of these polygons to make up the details of the mesh. And I'm going to show you how and why in a sec. So, well, the why is you don't want to pull a super high resolution mesh like this into like Blender or a slicing program because it's going to run really slow. This right here is fine. Barely see that it's low resolution. You know, if you turn it around a little bit, you can kind of see. Basically what I'm going to do is decimate this entire mesh. And that's going to make it so that I can 3D print it very easily. Probably cut in half the amount of polygons on here, so 570,000. So look at that, and I'm going to pre-process this using Decimation Master in zBrush. Once that loads, I'm just going to decimate it. So right now it's decimating at about 20%, so we're going to watch how far that goes down. So once I decimate it, there you go, 114,000, so that's quite a bit. So you can see that, well, it was running pretty fast for me before, but sometimes if you get like in the millions of polys, it'll kind of be a little bit sluggish in zBrush. It looks like it's running good here anyways, but yeah, so 114,000. This is now ready to export and 3D print.